So this video is dedicated to Harry Jaggard. This is actually a message that I'm trying to bring across to Harry Jaggard for becoming a man. Okay, you've proven yourself in Cameroon that you became a man. Okay, because you took it like a man. Okay, the guys they held you like this and they pulled you that way. And the guy he pulled your bag, he cut your bag with a knife, and he ran and you ran that way. Okay, so that was clever thinking. You ran away. That is a good thing to do, because if that had to be a one-on-one, okay, then you can probably whoop his up, kick his whoop his ass. So in all seriousness, Harry Jaggard, West Africa is a region in Africa, a part of Africa that people are not camera friendly. Okay, I'll say it again. West Africa, and this goes to all the vloggers. West Africa is a part of Africa where people is not camera friendly. People don't like being filmed in West Africa because of poverty and hardship. Okay, West Africans that what they don't want other people like the rest of the world to see how they live, basically how they struggle, and the things that they go through. Now, where West African people is more, they are more private people. Okay, they like to keep their business private. Okay, like the rest of the African continent, like me, for example, I'm from South Africa. Now in the south, okay, we are more open, we are more camera friendly, so you can come here and come and film here wherever. Okay, but you need to stay out of the dangerous neighborhoods, the dangerous areas. Okay, but you went to the market, to a slum, like a market type slum. Now you went to Cameroon in a time where there's unrest. You went there, okay, for to go and see how this whole thing play out. So basically, what you did, you went there to go risk your life. You went there to put your life in danger for likes and views and subscribers. That is what you did. Now, me as an African, I will never do that. I will never go there because I know what will happen. You can either get killed, or you can get kidnapped. You're lucky you never got stabbed, or you got killed, or you got kidnapped, because that is what West Africans do. They kidnap, they kill, okay, and they rob. Right? But unfortunately, you got robbed. You only got robbed. Your personal belongings got taken. And the guy, unfortunately, the guy he fled off. But the message that I'm trying to tell you, Mr. Harry Jaggard, is stay out of West Africa, please. Don't go to West Africa. Please don't do it. And this goes to all the travel vloggers. Don't go to West Africa. One day, God willing, when I have my own action camera, and I do decide to start vlogging, and become maybe in the future a travel vlogger when this channel, arises from the ashes, then I will become a travel vlogger maybe one day, and I will never ever set foot in West Africa. All the other African countries, but not West Africa. I will never ever set foot in West Africa. Never ever. I will never go there. Never ever. Because of those things. Never. Southern Africa, okay, which is a million times. Southern Africa is the safest part of Africa for any a tourist, travel vlogger, YouTuber, wherever. Southern Africa, just try your best to stay in the south. In Northern Africa, there's more scams going on. There's more scams in the North Africa. In North Africa, you will get scammed the hell out of your socks. Okay? So don't go to North Africa. But my message to Harry is take your pack your belongings and leave West Africa. Before you seriously, you are gonna get hurt, my friend. You are gonna get hurt in West Africa. And I'm so sorry for what has happened to you. As an African man, I'm apologizing. I'm so sorry for what has happened to you. Okay, I'm actually apologizing now for the rest of the African continent for what has happened to you. Now, what they are doing, that group of people, they are actually putting a bad image on Africa. They're putting a bad image now. The rest of the world will think the whole entire Africa is is doing those things. The whole entire African continent is thinking that way. That the whole entire African continent is dangerous. People are not friendly. They are scammers and they are robbers. Yes, we do have all of those here, but it's not everybody. Okay, but West Africa is next level. Okay, you were lucky. You were lucky by the grace of God. You were lucky. You didn't get kidnapped. You're lucky. Okay, so I hope and pray that next time if you do decide to go to West Africa, please watch this video. Okay, and I hope that this message will come across to you, and I hope that this video will reach you. And if it doesn't, I hope and pray that people will share this video, tag you, whatever, into this video, share this video to you. And that is all that I wanted to say, guys. Mary, stay safe. And to all the travel vloggers that is thinking of going to West Africa, please stay away. Don't go there. Stay far away. Okay? Rather come to the south. Come to South Africa. You can go to Zimbabwe. You can go to Botswana. You can go to Namibia. Okay? There is, it's not. It's much. It's 10 times better. 10 times nicer. Okay? So that is all that I want to say. Barry, stay safe. And guys, think this video was informative. Please like, comment, share, and please make a small donation to my channel. My PayPal link will be in the description. Okay, you guys can donate any amount, big or small. Okay, and I'll see you guys for more, and peace.